Hey everyone, welcome back to MVP Rides, and today we are diving into something far more intense, far more powerful and far more legendary than anything we have reviewed on this channel before. This time, we're not talking about a car, not a truck, not a motorhome. Today, we are stepping into the world of modern air dominance as we take a deep, detailed, and thrilling look at the 2026 F-15EX Eagle II, the next generation of America's air superiority legacy. This is a machine built not just to fly, but to rule the sky with power, precision, speed and advanced technology. So sit back, lock in, and get ready for the most in-depth civilian-friendly review of this fighter jet you'll ever hear. When you first lay eyes on the 2026 F-15EX Eagle II, the first feeling you get is intimidation mixed with admiration. It looks like a predatory bird frozen in mid-attack, its stance wide, its wings sharp, and its nose pointed with purpose. The exterior design is built around aerodynamics, strength, and stealth enhancement without compromising the iconic eagle silhouette that has dominated the sky for decades. The jet retains the dual vertical stabilizers, the elongated fuselage, and the massive twin engines at the rear, but every surface is refined with modern military engineering. The sharp edges have been given smoother transitions, the skin panels are tighter, and the materials are upgraded composites and alloys that tolerate extreme temperatures, supersonic stresses, and high-G maneuvers. Even when parked on the runway, the aircraft looks like it's about to launch into Mach speeds. Walking around the front of the jet, you notice the advanced APG-82 AESA radar housed inside the sleek nose cone. This radar is one of the most powerful airborne radar systems in the world, offering massive range, extremely fast tracking abilities, and the ability to identify and target enemy aircraft or threats long before they can detect the F-15EX. The 2026 model features further refined thermal management and upgraded signal processing systems, meaning the pilot is seeing more detail, at greater distance, with faster response time. On the surface it looks simple, but what's beneath is the true power. Moving to the sides, the massive air intakes dominate the view. These are designed to feed the two monstrous General Electric F110 G129 engines that power the Eagle II. The intakes are optimized for high-speed airflow and stability, ensuring the engines get exactly what they need during maneuvers ranging from high-angle attacks to low-altitude supersonic sprints. If you admire military machinery, these intakes alone feel like artwork made from aggression and engineering. Further along the wings, you see the hardpoints. This is where the F-15EX truly earns its weapons truck reputation. No fighter jet in the modern American fleet can carry as many weapons with as much flexibility as the Eagle II. It supports air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground precision munitions, hypersonic weapons, standoff missiles, and advanced electronic warfare pods. The wings are reinforced internally, allowing incredible payload capacity without compromising maneuverability. The clean gray paint scheme, low visibility decals, and matte finishing reduce radar signature and glare under extreme sunlight or night operations. Coming around the back of the jet is where the heart of the beast lies. The twin engines are enormous, powerful, and built for both raw thrust and efficiency. When afterburners ignite, the F-15EX unleashes a visual shockwave of blue-purple flame and a sonic roar that can be felt in your chest. The thrust numbers go beyond 29,000 pounds per engine, allowing the fighter jet to push past Mach 2.5. To put that in perspective, this jet can cross 40 miles in less than a minute. It is not just fast, it is brutally fast. And with the updated digital fly-by-wire system, the pilot can push the aircraft to the limits with precision and confidence. Now stepping inside the cockpit of the 2026 F-15EX Eagle II, everything changes. This isn't just an aircraft interior. This is a command center built for one or two highly trained pilots, combining modern digital systems with intuitive human-machine interfaces. The cockpit is larger than most modern fighters, giving more comfort and visibility. The canopy offers a wide, panoramic viewpoint, something pilots absolutely love because situational awareness is everything during combat. The first thing that grabs your attention is the massive touchscreen display dominating the center. This large area display replaces dozens of analog gauges and older multifunction screens. It operates like a high-resolution smart tablet but built to military durability standards. Pilots can rearrange windows, view radar feeds, sensor fusion data, weapons status, navigation, and threat detection all in real time. The touch sensitivity works even with gloves, and the clarity remains perfect even in bright sunlight or during aggressive maneuvers. Right in front of the pilot is an upgraded wide-angle HUD, the head-up display that projects flight and targeting data directly onto the glass, allowing the pilot to keep eyes forward at all times. It is bright, easy to read, and now integrated with advanced targeting cues that allow instant lock-on and firing decisions. The seat is a modern 0-0 ejection seat designed to save pilots even at zero altitude and zero airspeed. The cushioning, harness system, and shock absorption give support during high-G combat scenarios. Everything inside is designed for survivability, endurance, and precision under the most stressful environments imaginable. The side controls include HOTAS, hands-on throttle and stick. These allow the pilot to operate almost every important system without removing their hands. From missile launch to radar modes to communication settings, everything is integrated right at the fingertips, enabling split-second reactions. Speaking of performance, the 2026 F-15EX is an absolute monster in the sky. The jet doesn't just accelerate, it catapults forward. It climbs at extreme angles, maintains control at high angles of attack, and can sustain speed without losing stability. The advanced flight control system reads pilot input, environmental forces, and aircraft condition in real time, making micro adjustments to ensure perfect handling. During dogfighting scenarios, the Eagle II can twist, roll, and pivot with speed that belies its size. Even though it's larger than many modern fighters, it moves like a smaller, more agile aircraft. The digital controls, improved aerodynamics, and powerful engines give the pilot a sense of absolute dominance. Combined with long-range targeting and advanced missile systems, the F-15EX is designed to engage threats before they even know what's happening. For ground attack missions, the aircraft's stability, accuracy, and payload give it unmatched versatility. It can deliver precision weapons at long range or in close support roles. The jet is equipped with modern defensive systems, jamming pods, radar warning receivers, and decoys to ensure survivability even in heavily contested airspace. Flying at night, the F-15EX becomes even more impressive. With night vision compatibility, infrared targeting pods, and radar modes that map terrain in real time, the aircraft becomes a lethal and invisible hunter. Whether it's tracking targets through cloud layers, locking onto enemy aircraft beyond visual range, or conducting low-altitude strike missions, this fighter jet adapts instantly. Inside the cockpit, the pilot experiences a blend of power and precision. The engines hum beneath the frame, the instruments stay perfectly stable, and the flight path responds with the exact amount of pressure applied to the controls. Even at high speed, the cockpit remains surprisingly smooth because the jet is engineered for stability at speeds that most aircraft will never reach. When landing, the jet uses its digital flight controls and powerful braking systems to come in with confidence. The wide stance and strong landing gear allow touchdown on various types of runways. Even with heavy payloads, the aircraft maintains stable approach speeds and safe descent patterns. The 2026 F-15EX Eagle II is not just a fighter jet. It is the continuation of a legend that has been refined, modernized, and pushed to the peak of modern air combat standards. It blends raw power with digital intelligence, classic design with advanced evolution. And it represents one of the most capable multi-role fighters in the world. This aircraft isn't designed to compete with stealth jets, it's designed to carry more weapons, react faster, stay in the fight longer, and dominate any mission thrown its way. Hey everyone, welcome back to MVP Rides, and capable today of delivering diving into an absolute while still offering pilots one of the best flight experiences in the world. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 F-15EX Eagle II fighter jet. Today we are diving into an absolute beast on the road and want more coverage on military machines, supercars, hypertrucks, this truck motorhomes, luxury vehicles, and everything in MVP Rides. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, into an absolute beast on the road, and share this video with anyone who loves aviation or engineering. Thanks for watching MVP Rides, and I'll see you in the next one. MVP Rides. Today we are diving into an absolute beast on the road, the 2026 Peterbilt 589. This truck is a true